I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip. Ay, straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip.
Hey guys, it's Ozzy back with another video, and I'm about to show you guys my hair straightening routine for my weave. And right now, my weave is looking crazy, and my hair is like, So I had this on for about August, September, October, November, December, like 5-ish months, which is crazy. It didn't seem that long, but for 5 months, it's lasting me. But I'm about to check it out in like a couple of days, anyways. But this is how I'm gonna maintain it, and I already actually blow dried and washed it like the other day, so that's what I'm not gonna show you guys in the video. But do that before if you want your hair to be like silky straight and really fresh, so there's no product buildup from like previous things. But that's what I did. I already blow dried it and stuff, and I re-permed my leave out because it was not the move. The new growth was coming in like crazy. But I did that, and then now I'm just gonna straighten it, because it's right now it's looking really curly. And you want it to be bone straight, and I'm gonna show you guys how I straighten my hair. Okay guys, so basically what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be taking like small sections of my hair. I don't know how small this is, but this small section of my hair. And I didn't do my leave out yet. I do that last. Don't know why. But I'm gonna take the like little sections of my hair and go through with a straightener and a comb at the same time, so I don't straighten out the tangles. finish straightening like the whole weave or whatever right now. If you guys actually want to see like my review on this weave, because this weave was really cheap, it was like $72. And if you guys want to see my review on it, I'll put it in the description box down below or in the card thingies right here. But yeah, it's really good. It's been lasting me like so long, which is crazy. But right now I'm just going with like a brush, and I'm just going to be brushing it out to make sure there's no knots and stuff, so it can stay really sleek and straight. And just remember to pass it through with the comb, because that's what gives it that like sleek, straight look. And actually right now, guys, I'm going in with this thing that's called sheen spray, which is just like gives more oil hydration. It makes your hair look really fresh and really good. So I'm gonna spray this all over my hair. And now I'm just running it through my hand so I can really like mix it in all of my hair, because the spray is like not gonna get my entire hair. So that's basically what I do to make it really like shiny and really just hydrate it. It's moisturized. But now I'm gonna do my leave out, and I'm kind of scared because what if it looks crazy? Okay. So right now I'm going to just straighten parts that look like they need to be straightened out the most. And I just got my hair re-permed, which I really needed because it was looking crazy. So I'm just gonna straighten out parts that like need the most help. Fix my nail part. Okay guys, I'm about to go in with the Eco Styler gel and do my edges. I just wrap my head back in my scarf so I can really just lay down my hair and make sure it stays really flat. And right now I'm about to just do my makeup because I'm going out right now. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when my makeup's done and my hair is ready. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I finished drying my hair and doing my makeup. And you guys see how flat my hair got and very straight, stiff. Wait, who is stiff? Cause I see movements. Anyways, that's how to really just like revive your weave. If it's looking stiff, very rough, just wash it, then do blow dry, do all that, and then once you do that again, it'll like get the shine back, and then it's the movement, the body. But yeah, I really just want to say, look, it's really flat and really straight. Okay guys, it's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys like this tutorial, or just how to just keep your hair looking nice and not looking crazy. So hope you guys like the video. Bye.
Me fuck with, no, oh you can't touch this, ayy, bitch I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy, walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy, he say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that cash shit,